A very good morning. This is Mr. Henry Clement for Year 8 Math Week 4. We are using this book as well. I hope that you like it. We will be moving to another book if we have chance after this 6 months. Okay. So this is a brief and guidance for you to learn about how to draw the mathematical set of truths. Okay. So I think you know this is a ruler and this is a pencil. Okay. So we need to draw. But so today I am not preparing any notes for you. I just will be hands-on, okay? Hands-on teaching you how to draw. Okay. So the very first thing, okay, we need a pair of compasses. Yeah, this is a pair of compasses. So before you use this thing, these tools, okay. Okay, I especially bring a screwdriver to show you that we need to actually tighten up every time. Okay, so this one cannot move easily. Okay, we need to tighten up to make it very, very tight. You see? Okay, every time, especially in your exam, please don't bring the loose one. Okay, and the second one will be you need a pencil. Usually the pencil, the shorter the better. Why? Because it's easier to draw, and then you need to keep the pencil sharp. Okay, this is a live session. I hope that you enjoy this session. Okay, so usually I will also try to move it around. Okay, so before that, I want to show you how to draw a line first. Okay, to draw a line on paper manually. Okay, but nowadays actually for us, most of us are drawing lines. Okay, in the iPads or computer. Okay, so to draw the line, okay, can you see? I need to turn my pencil. It's not only okay. It's not that I just draw one line this way. You see, if I draw this way, the line may be thick and thin from the beginning to the end. So to draw a straight line, if you can, try to twist. Try to twist. Okay, try to twist. Okay, okay. Try to twist. Then you can see the line. Okay, the lines. Okay. Try to twist. Okay. Try to twist. Okay. Can you see? Try to twist. Okay. The lines looks better. Okay, as compared to the first two. Okay. So again, I show you. You need to twist here and here and here and there. Okay. So the lines looks better. Okay. This is the one very important things for you to start draw the straight line. Okay. Next. This is so-called a pair of compasses. Okay, this one should be the very sharp one. Okay, sharp tip. Okay, if your tips cannot how to say, cannot it's not sharp enough. Okay, and you move it slip. Okay, it slip, then you may not draw it accurate one. Okay, so the next one will be, okay, you need to get this closer so that they are about the same length. Okay, and then you need to tighten it up again. Since you tie this one in very tight, so this one also, please do not allow this one to move anymore. Okay, so we were not touching. Okay, then see, this is quite hard when I want to open up. Okay, so now we are trying to draw a circle. Okay, so if I would like to draw a circle of 3 cm, okay, or 20 until 23. So this is 3 cm. Okay, so this is the radius. Radius is half of the diameter. Okay, someone would like, okay, the very first thing, your surface must be wooden or rubber. Okay, so I know that some student, you have the grass top, grass tabletop. The grass tabletop will be slip on. Okay, no matter how sharp your tip is, you cannot the pencil and the the compasses will still slip one. Okay, so you need to press hard. Okay, but when you start, before you start, also I think you need to put a cross whenever you want to start with a point. Okay, and then your tip will be right at the center of the cross, and then some teacher would like to ask you to hold this one, okay, so that you can turn. Okay, but for me I will not do hold here, but instead I will hold here, because when I hold to the one side which is hooked to the table, I think it will be easier for me to draw. Okay, so I will try to this one, and then I'll try to move this one. Can you see? Okay, I will move this one because the chances of affecting the shape here, the angle here, is less when I try to move, or I try to hold here and press here. Because if I'm using here and I try to press, there's the chance for the thing to change the shape. Okay, so when the compasses change the shape, and then you will be out of the measurement already. Okay, so we can always double check with our answer. 20 to 23, yes. So I think this is the R. This is the R. We call it the radius. Radius. This is R. Radius. Okay. So this is half of the diameter. So the diameter will be from here to here, we call it the diameter. So diameter, okay. So now you know that diameter is 2 times radius. Okay. So D is 2R. D is 2R. Okay. So for this one, the radius is 3 cm and the diameter is 6 cm. Okay. So my question is, if I want you to draw a circle, if I want you to draw, okay, maybe I use another paper. If I want you to draw a circle of 8 cm diameter, okay, 8 cm diameter means that this is a circle from the beginning to the end is 8. So if I want to use the compasses to draw, and this length will be 4. So I need to measure to 4 and not 8. Okay. If I use 8, then it will become a 16 already. Okay. So I need to find a place first. Okay. And then I have to make it 4. Okay. So this is 4. And then immediately I will try to draw the circle. Okay. Okay. Sometimes you can turn the paper as well if this is convenient for you. Okay. Because I have the camera lets to block me, so I think it's better for me to turn the paper. Okay. So to draw a diameter 8 cm, so I need to have 4. Then I can calculate to see whether it's correct or not. From the 20. Oh, I think this is slightly smaller. Okay, let's see. I think I didn't measure correctly. Yes, this is less than 4. Okay, let me check back. Yeah, this is less than 4. So I need to enlarge this a little bit. Okay, so we need to draw a circle again. Okay, so to make sure again, this is 4. Yeah, this is 4. Then again, we need to draw this one. And this one, you need to press hard. So, okay, if you're holding here, you press hard, it won't affect the thing. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Let's measure again. Start from 20. Start from 20, and then yeah, this is 28. Okay. So now I have a circle with the diameter of the 6 cm diameter. Okay. So this is the point, we call it the center. And then the outer here, the part of the circumference, this is we call it the arc of a circle. The arc of a circle. Okay. So we can draw many shapes, okay, if you want. Okay. I would like to show you how to draw this one. Okay. These 9 patterns, or nice pattern. Okay. But we need to be careful to draw that. Okay. So I will try to draw for you. Okay. For that one, okay, I think I can use 5 maybe. I think I use 5 or 6 or 6 will do. Okay, 6 cm. No, I think 5 will do. Okay, 5 cm. Okay, 5 cm. Okay. So at the beginning, at the center, okay, I will draw a circle. Okay. And then I can choose any point. Okay. Okay, since this is a cross here, I can choose any point, maybe here and the other opposite. Okay. So I can start to actually choose any point, like any point will do, and then draw another shape here, followed by another one here, and then I draw also another one, and then following the next one, I will draw another one. Sorry. Okay. And then we have again follow another one. And then we have follow this one again. And then the last one, I think, is about the last one. Yes. Now we can actually duplicate the same thing here. Okay. This is easy, but this is not so easy. Okay, we will try to do this one. Okay. Okay. So this is the center. And then we will have our shapes here. Okay. And then since this is 5, right? This one is 5. So we need to make it smaller, half, which is 2.5. 2.5. Okay, hopefully this is correct. Okay, make it a small one first. Okay. And then we should draw a line. Okay. If you remember, always teach the pencil. Okay. So we can draw a small circle. Let's check first. Okay, let's check first before we draw the line. So that we no need to erase it later. Okay. Okay. And then further, we need to make it smaller again. This is 1.25. That's not, I think, half of this. So we need to make it 1.25. This is 2.5. So we need to have 1.25. I think it's in between here. Yeah, slightly here. Okay. Oh, no, be careful. Okay, now we need to draw the shapes from here. Oh, I think slightly larger. Okay, that's why just now I mentioned that we need to compare before we need to make it smaller a little bit. Okay. Oh, I think it's not in the center, huh? Okay. Allow me to erase this one. Okay. This dot is not so. Okay. Sorry, okay. Because I'm choosing the 1.5, That's not that I choose the 2.25, so this one will be slightly harder, because I need to get 1.25, which is not so easy. I think this one okay. Okay. That shouldn't be a problem already. Okay, yeah. Now I get the accurate one. Okay. Now I get the accurate one already. Okay. Okay. Now it's accurate one. Okay. Okay. So the final will be look like this, okay, which is similar to this. Okay, so be careful with a small difference, the thing will look different. Okay, and this is similar to this. How I show you? Okay, for that actually you need to adjust this one. So for this shape, it's just look like this. Okay. So the next we need to learn is how to bisect something. Bisect, okay? Bisect something, okay? No. Before that, we need to draw a triangle first. Okay. The next one, we need to learn how to construct a triangle. Okay, so if I want to draw a if I want to draw from this book, this one, 4, 6, 8. If I want to draw a triangle with this side 4, this side 6, and this side 8, okay? So what we need to do is we need to draw a line first, which is the 8 SCM line. Okay, then we need to cross it, okay? So that to show 20 to 28, this is 20 to 28, okay? So the next one, you need to get a 6 measurement of 6 from here. So 20 to 26. Okay, 20, 26. Okay. So we can draw, because this is the shape, the 6 will be up there. So we try to draw a thin line, okay, which is the above one, okay. And then we have the 4. So we need to draw the 4 from 20 to 24. Okay. So this one, then we can cross. Can you see the intersection? Yesterday we did about intersect. Okay. So these two curves intersect with this point. So this is the particular point. This is the important point that from this point to here is 6. From this point to here is 4. Okay. So then you can connect the line together to the intersection point. And then to the intersection point again. Try to move it. Try to move this one. Okay. So then you can write this one as 6. This is 8. This is 4 cm. Okay. How to build? Okay, this is for the given triangle. How to build a right angle triangle? Okay, now we are trying to do right angle triangle. Okay, so for this line, for example, I want to make it, this is 6, this is 8, this is 10. Okay, but I don't want to give you this 10. So you don't know about this 10 actually. You only have this 6 and 8. Okay, all you need to do is you need to make to construct a 90 degree here. Okay, to make a 90 degree, so again you need to draw a line. You need to draw a line. Okay, then you need to get a 6 here, 6 cm. Okay, so for example, you get a 6 cm here. This is 26. This is 20. This is the shape. It should be a 8 cm here above. Okay, but how to make sure this is 90 degree? Okay, that's a trick. That's a trick. Okay, so you must get 2 equal sides first. Okay, for this point, I can get this is the one, and this is another one. So this one is an equal length. Okay, and this equal length, after that you need to make it smaller or larger. Usually I will make it larger. Okay, then you can find some equal system. Okay, you can draw a, okay, actually it's a shape also. Okay, and then from the other point with a length equal length. Okay, so you can find the intersection. Okay, now this is the thing. Okay, so this line, when the intersect to intersect, actually this is 90 degree. So we call it a bisecting the line. Bisecting the line because I separate the line into 2. Can you see? So if you can always turn your pen, okay, pencil, so that the line will look like this way. Okay, so now I have 90 degree. Okay, I think we can measure. Okay, we can try to measure whether it's 90 degree or not. Okay, yeah. So you can see Remember, there's a gap here. So to measure, you need to make the gap just like hidden into the line. Can you see? Yeah, it's true. Can you see? It's 90 degree on the top there. So now the next thing you need to do is just measure out the 8 cm, 20 to 8, 28 is 8. So from 20 is this point, okay? So you need to connect these two lines. If you can, try to twist your pencil. Okay, so let's see. From theorem Pythagoras, you know that this is to be the 10. Let's count whether it's 10 or not. Let's measure. Yeah, from 20 to 30. From 20 to 30, so it's 10. So I can say I built a 10, 8, 6. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. The technique we use here is a bisecting a line. Okay, again, I will show you how to bisect a line again. This is a line, the first step. Okay, and then this is A, and maybe this is B. B. To bisect, you need to from both same point. Okay, if you don't know the center point, no worry. We'll bisect the line later. Okay, so you just take out. You can open out an angle. Okay, so you press hardly to the B. Okay, you can draw the whole thing, whole curve, or you don't want, you just can put half of here and then another half here. Okay, so it won't look so messy. You can make the continuous line, no worries. And then again from the other point. Okay, can you see the intersection? Okay, so you can join the line, then you will find the middle of the AB, midpoint. Okay, so let's measure it. From 20 to 25.15. Okay, and then here 20 to 25.15. Yes, so this A to this M part and this one, they are equal. They are equal. So we call it bisect a line. Bisect a line. And then when you bisect a line here, this angle is always 90. 90. You see that you must hidden, the line was hidden. Okay. Just like one line, fill the gap. Okay, so it's 90 degrees. So the next we will be bisecting an angle. Bisecting an angle. Let's draw an angle first. Okay, from here, I think I will draw 80. Well, 60 will do. 60, this is 60, yeah? Okay, 60. So this is 60. How to bisect? Just now I have shown you to measure the same length away from the center point. Since this is center point, this one don't have center point, but this one is the same length, can you see? So I need to just get a similar the same distance from the center point. Okay, and then I go move forward to this point. Okay, and I move forward to this, and here. Okay, this is actually a rhombus. This is actually a rhombus. Okay, let me draw for you to have a clear picture. Oh, this is a rhombus. So a rhombus, okay, all four sides is the same length, same length, same length, same length, same length. So they will bisect this one. Oh, sorry. It's touching my. Sorry, touching my nail. Okay, so this line actually bisect these two. Just now it's 40. Let's measure. See whether is 20 each or not. You see the line must be hidden and covered in the same thing. Okay, check the center again. Okay, you can read the answer. Or just as a 60, so this is 30. Can you see? And then again for the bottom one, bottom part of the angle. Yeah, it's 30. Can you see the idea? Okay, so now from the 60, we bisect it to 30 and 30. Okay. This is also true for a kite, yeah? This is also true for a kite. Okay. What does it mean by a kite? Okay, I am using this paper to save the earth. Okay. And we are running this self-support. Okay. So we need to be safe. Okay. So a kite also same. Can you see? If this is a kite, this is long, but this will bisect, this angle will be bisected as well. Okay, so again, I should try to draw a line first. Okay, and then I make a small thing. Okay, and then I try to draw another line. This time I draw 80. Okay, 80. Then okay, 80. Yeah, this is 80. So I may want to use a small shape. This one is short here, and then this one is a long tail. Okay, so I will open out a very small length. Okay, for this thing. Okay, maybe just for this one. Okay, so this is a very small one. Okay, provided these two is the same length. Okay, now if I want to make a rhombus, then I can just using this length as well. But if I touching this one become larger. Shouldn't be a problem. Can you see? Okay, this is longer. The main thing is just be accurate. Okay, so this is the intersection there. Then I can always draw the line, connect the line. Okay, but before that, let me show you. So this is a kite. This is a kite, isn't it? Okay. So this one will give you the same answer. No worries. Okay. So just like it's 80. So let's measure. Hidden. Okay. So it's 40. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, 40. I think I draw not so accurate. Okay. So it's 40. Okay, you may try. You may try this one at home for your learning. This is fun for your learning purpose. Okay. And then we need to learn a new thing, which is so-called a congruency. Congruency. Okay. Okay. The main thing we need to learn for congruency here is for the triangle. For the triangle. Okay. For the triangle. Okay, for the triangle, let's see. When we have a shape, we have some rules. Okay, one is called SAS. Okay, side angle side. Okay, if the side for these two, okay, if this is 4 cm and this is 90 degree and this is 4 cm and another one is also do like this. This is 4 cm, this is 90 degree and this is 4 cm. They are so-called congruent. Okay, so if we have this side angle same, even though we don't know about the other two angle, okay, but they are congruent because the length is fixed here. So there's only one angle when you connect to the other one. So the angle will be the same. The next one is ASA. Okay, if you have one length, same length, so but this angle is certain, and this angle is also certain. Okay, so the A is given, S is given, A is given. So again, you need to draw another. Is that if the S is given, and then the angle is also given, and the another angle is given. Okay, so they are so-called congruent. Or another one is angle, angle, angle. If you, even though they didn't show you the side length, but if the angle is given, the angle is given, it's the same. The angle is given, this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle, and then the next one will be the same. So this one is also congruent. Okay, and then we also have and the last one is just now, you know, that is a SSS. SSS. This is because if the side is given 4, and then you have 4 here, and then you want to draw a 6, and then draw a 6 here, and then you have an 8 here, and you have an 8 here. So if the 6, 4, 8 is given, the side, all side is given, surely you can find the triangle is identical. Okay, and then the last one is called the RHS. RHS means what? Okay, if this is a right angle triangle, okay, this is a triangle with a right angle. A triangle with a right angle. Okay, this is right angle. And then the longer part, the longest part here, side, we call it the hypotenuse. If the hypotenuse is the same and one side is the same, for example, this one is the same. Okay, so you cannot find, because this line is fixed already. So to have these two lines, you can always find the same length. Okay, so this is find of the way to find the congruency of the triangle. SAS, ASA, AAA, SSS, and RHS. Okay, these are the way of finding that. Okay. We will be studying the netting also, drawing the net. Okay, drawing the net is important nowadays because a lot of packaging is needed when we sell online. Okay, a lot of students and a lot of businessmen now, they are selling online things. Okay, so they need to find a way to build the box, to build the packaging. Okay, so of drawing the net, okay, this one you need to practice some more. Okay, so the thing is, you for the cuboid, okay, you always have 6 faces. So your answer also must be have 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So the opposite side of this base is the same one, and then this one is the same one, and this one is the same one. Okay. So we have to draw all this shape. Okay, I will show you some 1 or 2. Okay. Okay. For example, if this is a box, this is 6, this is 4, this is 4, and this is 4 as well. Okay, so to open out the thing, okay, you know that this part, okay, the whole part will be look like 4. Okay, 4, 4, 4, 4. So you need to draw a 4 cm. Okay, I think I just draw freehand. Okay, So this is 6, can you see? This is 6 cm. Okay, maybe I just do some drawing. Oh, okay. And then I have 4, 4, 4, 4. Oh, I'm not sure whether enough or not for me. Yeah, not so enough. Okay, never mind. I won't do 4. I just do half. Okay, will be 3. To half the. Okay, and then 4 will become 2. So, for example, this is a 2. I have so 4 sides. So it's 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, or 4, 2. So my shape will look like this. Okay. And then any side, okay, usually we'll draw in one same place. You can draw one here, one there. Shouldn't be a problem. So this will be a 2 cm as well. Okay, maybe I draw here because there's no place there. Okay, then you have this one. And then you have another 2 here. Okay, this is the netting for the cuboid. Okay, so usually you will draw the 4 one and 4 first, and then draw the both sides. And maybe you can call this is the wing. Okay, and then for a square base pyramid, okay, for example. Okay, so once you open out, this is the square, will be the square. Okay, it will be the square for you to have this one. And then you have the triangle shape for the 4 sides of the pyramid. Okay. Okay, 4 sides of the pyramid. Okay. So this one, I think you need some practice. Okay, and then I can check your answer. Okay. So the last part for today will be the symmetry. Will be the symmetry. Okay. Symmetry means this is line of symmetry. Okay. You can also say this one is a image, mirror image. Okay, that means that the left side and the right side is the mirror image of each other. Okay, so you need to find the main question here is you need to find how many lines of the symmetry. Okay, for this example. Okay, this is a square. Okay, this is a square. Okay, I think I can use this as an explanation. Okay, so to this, I think I'll use the kite first. The kite, yeah, the previous kite. This is slightly easier. Okay, so this is a kite. Okay, can you see the kite here? So this is a kite. Okay, this is a kite. Okay. So when I want to find the line of symmetry, if I cut down the whole shape here, okay, and I can fold into half. I can fold into half, and then this is a line that the center line of the folding. Okay. So this is so-called the symmetry line. Okay. So for this shape, I only have one symmetry line. Okay, I only have one. Okay. And then now we are going to this shape. Okay. So to this shape, okay, we have many symmetry line. Number one will be this line. Can you see? Or I can have half of this. Can see or not? I think can. This is the number one symmetry line. I will try to draw it as dotted line so that I won't block our image. Okay. The next one will be, okay, can you move slightly a little bit? Okay. So can you see if I move a little bit, okay, so this is also half. So this is the second line. And then again, this one also another symmetry line. Again, this one another symmetry line. So we have plenty, right, for this shape. Okay, and then from here also we have a symmetry line. And then the last one will be this one. So for this shape now we have many lines, no? Okay. So let's count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is one of the. Okay. So we have six lines of the symmetry. Okay. So to this, okay. I think we know this one. How many lines? Yes, this is only one line, and then 2 lines. Oh, this one can get to half into 2 lines. This one only 1 line. 1, and this also 1. But this is none. Oh, this is also 1. Yeah, can you see? This is 1 from here. Okay, so this is a line of symmetry. You need to learn to draw this one. The next idea is so-called the rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. Okay, rotational is not so. I need 2 paper so that I need 2 pieces of paper so that to show you how it actually look like. Okay. Okay. If I draw a hitch, maybe a arrow first. Okay. I want to make it half. Okay. Okay, this is the last part already. Okay. So the very first thing, let's investigate arrow. So I investigate an arrow here. Okay. So rotationally means that okay, if I have the arrow here and then I have another one on my right side. Okay, if I make a full turn, if I make a whole turn, okay, until come back to the original form. Okay, how many times will the shape look like the original one? Okay, so let's see. This one I start to rotate. 1, no, nothing, right? Not the same, right? This is upside down. Until the full turn, there's only one time. They actually look the same. So it's only so-called one. Okay. One rotational symmetry. Okay. The order of the rotation is 1. Okay. So if I have this shape, I. Okay, I. Okay, and then I have I here. Okay, I need to find how many times it will look like this when we do the turn. Okay, so I start to turn. Oh yeah, now it's the first time we have the same shape already, and then we turn back to the 360 degree. There's a 2 times. So this one you have 1 time. This one you have 2 times. Okay, next I will try to draw these shapes. For example, this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, let's turn. Not the same yet. Oh yeah, when we reach this stage, it's the same already. 1 time, and then a 2 time, and then a 3 time. So this is 3 times. They may look the same. Okay. So to practice this question, please always have 2 separate pieces of paper. This is my small trick for you for today. Okay. And then you have the classification of the shapes and the triangle. This one I have done it with you yesterday. So you look back to the yesterday's course. Okay. That's all for today. This is Handy Clement for your how to draw the shapes from compasses and ruler. Okay, thank you for joining us. Thank you very much and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.